Hello again, Room 4 families. This is Miss Sinco. Here is the science experiment that you can do at home with your families today. Today's science experiment is what happens when you wash your hands frequently during a virus. So all you need is water, pepper, and dish soap. The water and the pepper represents what it's like when there's lots of germs around during a virus. That could be the flu, that could be coronavirus. The dish soap represents the soap that you use to wash your hands. I'm going to dip my finger in the dish soap so it covers all the way. Now watch what happens when I put my finger in. And look, some of the soap is already coming off of my finger. Did you see what happened when the soap hit? Let's do it again. Even when I put my finger inside, do you see how the germs are going away from my finger? That's because soap has special properties that when you wash your hands, any germs are repelled or pushed away from the soap, and it keeps you germ-free. So that is why it is important to wash your hands very frequently when there's a sickness going around. Now you can try this at home with your families, and if you'd like to send me a video of you doing the experiment, you can. If not, enjoy and have a wonderful rest of your Wednesday.